Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now let's try and register to Payoneer. Open up your browser. And by the way, guys, this is the exact process if you're using your mobile devices. So open up your browser and search for Payoneer, like so. Look for the one that isn't sponsored, the second one right there. Much more safer. If you open that one, this should be the one you're looking to. In here, you can register at the top right section right away. If I click on that one, it will ask me for this details. Let's try and create an account based on samples. I'm going to name this one Anthony. I'm going to go for start, like so. For mobile devices, this should be a real number. Alright, so this one right there, I'm just going to type 091684512001. And for work email, just enter any work email you have. I'm going to register my email right there. This one right here, like so. Register business name. For this one, I'm going to type in sample business. Website address, I'm going to type in sample. Now for the next question, in this one, you should select the three right there. Do not click on the cross-border payments, because Payoneer only allows registration for international transactions. So for this one, I'm receiving payments overseas because I'm going to be a freelancer, right? So I'm receiving payments overseas. So which type of business? I'm going to go for this one as not a registered freelancer or sole trader, a sole trader, or a company. I'm going to go for sole proprietor. I'm going to go for just me right there. And basically, click on none. In here, you can choose how you receive the payments as a freelancer platform, business clients, freelancer platform and business clients, or another Payoneer account. For this, I'm going to select the platform right there. In here, I'm going to select the perfect one that's really sending me, or the way of how it's sending me money. In here, what is the estimate value? I'm going to go under USD. And basically for that one, click on next. Now this is going to be another set of questions. Just answer them all the way to this one right there. And click on next all the way. For example, DOB right here. Let me just change it, just for the sake that we can register properly. Click on next right there. For the contact details, fill it up. And basically, they will ask you for a verification code. So I do not have any available phone number as of now. Anyway, just fill out the numbers and answer the on-screen instructions, and you'll be good to go. And that's it.